Welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna, and in today's quick Android tutorial, I'll show you how to turn color correction on or off on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This feature is designed to help users who have difficulty distinguishing certain colors by adjusting the screen colors for better visibility. It can be especially useful for people with color vision deficiencies, but anyone can use it to make screen colors easier on the eyes. Open the Settings page. The Settings app is the main hub where you can control and customize nearly every feature of your device, including display options, accessibility tools, security settings, and app management. Next, scroll and see the Accessibility, then tap on it to open the Accessibility Settings page. This section contains various tools designed to improve usability and make the device easier to operate. Inside Accessibility, look for Vision Enhancements and tap on it. This menu includes several display-related features such as color filters, magnification, and other visual aids that help improve screen readability. Now scroll and see Color Correction and tap on it to open the option. You will find a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Tap the toggle to turn color correction on. Once enabled, your screen colors will automatically adjust based on the selected correction mode. If you want to disable it later, tap the toggle switch again to turn color correction off automatically. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful Android tips and easy tech tutorials to make your digital life smarter and simpler.